So welcome back to ThrottleHobby. I'm at work and let's do one of these. So customer states in his Jeep that as he's driving he gets a weird shake. So could be a shaft, could be outer tie rod, no. could be a wheel balance. So we're gonna take it for a ride and see what the heck's wrong with it. There it is. All right, so we're in the car. Let's start it. So far quiet. I have a feeling that this will probably be a tire out of balance, but this might also help anyone who has maybe the same problem of steering wheel or butt shake. So let's go take this down 48, pick it up to speed and see what's going on. Well, that's great. Shoddy shifter and it fell off. Like what? Okay. So let's get going. So just going down here, doing about, I want to say almost 40. I don't feel anything shaking. So we'll probably have to go up to speeds, maybe warm it up, and go from there. But as of right now, doing pretty good. So far nothing on the brakes when I step on it, so not warped rotors. Nothing going fast. So either this is a shake that happens every so often, or maybe at one point, maybe the customer was just imagining something wrong with it. But as of right now, it's going pretty good. So I'm gonna keep driving. Hopefully it'll show itself soon and we can go about fixing whatever it is.
A few moments later.
So been driving. I don't feel shake, but what I do hear is that mirror right there. Every so often you'll be driving and it'll catch wind and it'll make a flopping noise. Trying to make it get there. Hold on. But I'm wondering if maybe that's what he's hearing, like the mirror. So I'm gonna head back and we're gonna see what's up. Yep. So we're gonna head back and see what's up with that, and maybe that's what he's talking about. Maybe try to get some more information. Oh, Ferrari! Oh, it's so cool. So yeah, we're gonna head back and see if that's what he's talking about, and maybe that's what he wants to get fixed. So let me head back. All right, I think now I'm starting to hear it. It might be a shaft. If you can listen very carefully. So I got it up on the air, and one thing I noticed is it seems like he's got starting to get frozen calipers, so that could very well be what's wrong with it. Whereas you see this side, nice and free. So that could be his squealing problem, because the caliper's frozen, squeaking the heck out of the brake pad. It's probably shredded on the inside. I'll have to take that off and take a look. So it might be that. We did just call him. He said that at 55 he hears it, but in my opinion, I think it just might be that caliper squeaking every so often. But I'm gonna lift this up a whole lot more and see if there's any leaks and other stuff. So now that it's down on the ground, I'm gonna check one more thing. When you have cars with upper ball joints like this, you need to check the ball joints, and you can only do it via jacking underneath the lower A-arm, but that's only for ones with upper A-arms. Sticking a crowbar in and shaking up and down and seeing. So right there, we see a problem. That ball joint is not supposed to move, and it's moving quite a bit. So that could be his problem. So pretty much same thing on the other side. The ball joints are loose. So that might be the problem that he hears when he's driving up and down. As he hits bumps, you can hear the ball joint rattle. So I'm gonna take a good guess and say that apart from this caliper, that will probably need to be replaced. He needs upper and lower ball joints on both sides. And with that, we're gonna pull him out and pretty much tell the customer exactly what we found. He said that as he was driving somewhere around 55, that it started shaking. I didn't feel any shakes or anything like that, but going through the car, we definitely found out that he needs ball joints on both sides, uppers and lowers, and that some of his brake calipers are freezing, mainly the front passenger and the two in the rear. At this point, I would just do all of them so they could freely move and go from there. So pretty much that's all I could think of. I mean, if the caliper does get hot, it could also cause a shake, because if one side's not working and one side is working, that could cause a vibration. As far as anything else goes, I would definitely get the ball joints replaced and get that squared away, because if you're hitting bumps, also the ball joint could be knocking around. But as far as any kind of vibration, I mean, we drove it, I didn't see it, so in my opinion, we'll just tell the customer that you need ball joints and you would need to do calipers, and if he wants to do it, he could set up a time to do it, and if not, then well, he's on his own. I guess he'll have to live with it. But that's basically what we found on this Jeep today. So my name is Seabass, signing off. Thanks for watching Throttle Hobby, and I'll see you guys in the next video.